what's up everybody? I'm Brianna Vega joining you live from the Patriot Times, and today I have a wonderful story with two of my former classmates and friends. Sam, hi.
Hi.
This is Sam. And this is Trevor. Hi Trevor.
Hi.
How are you guys today?
Good, how are you?
That's good. So these people right here, they're bowlers. Can you give me a little insight on your little thing that's going on?
Okay, so we've been bowling for the past about 6 weekends, and so this coming weekend is our regional tournament. And on tomorrow, February 23rd, we have our team event for regionals, so we'll compete with other teams, team against team, obviously. And then on Saturday, we will be having our singles tournament, so we're trying to make it in the top 10 in order to go to states.
So I probably should also include this so that way no other bowlers are offended. I don't have the whole team with me. I have the captains joining me today. Trevor, how are you feeling about regionals and going into this? And are you nervous, or how are you feeling?
A little nervous, but I'm feeling good about it.
Confident?
Confident.
What about you, Sam?
I'm nervous, yeah, but I feel good, so.
So little birdie told me you have an award.
Yeah, I made it into the Team A for my average this year.
So what is your average?
My average is a 155.4, I think.
And yours?
I do not know my average.
Well, that's a really big accomplishment. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I wish you guys luck in your regionals and state regionals and stuff. That's really exciting. Thank you guys for joining me, and stay tuned. Woo!